Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the brand new SoundCore by Anker Liberty Air 2 Pro Pure Sound Earbuds. Has hybrid ANC, 26-hour total playtime, pure note technology, and wireless charging case. So it says that 10 Grammy Award-winning artists and musicians have recommended this in 5 stars. It has 10 layers of hardened nano-coated protection for the earbuds. You have apps for the Android and Apple. You can use these in different modes. Don't get to the earbuds themselves. Comes with a wirelessly charging case. That's what it looks like when it's open. It just slides up like that. Pretty cool. Neat to see on the inside. And then here's the actual earbud itself. It has up to 6 microphones to figure out the active noise cancellation. There we go. Here's the other one. They have different colors. This is black. They have white, blue, and a couple other colors as well. And then for different ear gels, they have you covered as well. There are a ton of ear gels in this one. So we'll pan over really quickly here, and you can see they have all the way down to XXX small. So this is the most amount of ear gels I've ever seen for true wireless earbuds. This is by SoundCore by Anker, and these are the new Liberty Air 2 Pros.